everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Most of our Indian meals consist a lot of carbs, be it idlis or dosas for breakfast. For lunch we mostly have rice or rotis. Now for those of you who want to cut down on carbs or want to have a nice low carb meal, here is a recipe that I'm going to share with you guys, which is very tasty and very simple to make. So we're going to make cauliflower rice. So I'm going to actually show you how to convert the cauliflower into rice, and we're going to make a great dish using a lot of vegetables to make this cauliflower rice. So let's get started and check out the recipe. So I've taken one medium-sized cauliflower for the cauliflower rice. Cauliflower is an extremely healthy vegetable. It's an excellent source of vitamins and minerals. Just roughly cut it up. So make sure you wash the cauliflower with a little hot water to remove all the dirt, and if there are any worms present, they will be removed. So I'm just making sure it's nice and clean before I grate it. Cauliflower has several properties that may actually help you in weight loss. It actually serves as a low-calorie substitute for high-calorie foods such as rice and flour. So you can see I've grated the cauliflower in the large grater. So it's nice and finely grated. So this is your basic cauliflower rice. So once you've got the cauliflower to this consistency, so you can make any dish. So now I'm going to show you a wonderful recipe. This is mixed vegetable cauliflower rice. To a nice wide kadai, add about 3 teaspoons of oil. Add 1 teaspoon cumin seeds. Next add a piece of ginger finely chopped, 2 green chilies chopped, next add a few curry leaves, next add 1 small onion finely chopped, once the onions are transparent, I'm going to add a few vegetables, starting with half cup of finely chopped beans, half cup finely chopped carrots. Now I have used carrots, peas and beans, but you can use any other vegetables of your choice to make this particular rice. 1 grated fresh cauliflower. Mix everything nicely. Saute for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now add half cup of fresh boiled peas. Mix everything well. Next I'm going to season with half teaspoon of salt, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder. So just mix everything. I've just added half teaspoon of salt, but if you want to add a little extra, you can check and add a little more later. So now I'm just going to add 1 tablespoon of water. Mix it in. So this is just to help the vegetables cook well. Close the kadai and cook for about 5 minutes on medium-low flame. After 5 minutes, the vegetables have cooked. I've checked for seasoning, it's perfect. The seasoning is very good. Now finally, I'm going to finish off by adding just a little lemon juice. It's just a final touch. So if you like a little bit of lemony flavor, you can add this or you can just skip this. Finally, I'm going to finish off by adding some chopped coriander leaves. Mix everything nicely. Incorporating cauliflower on a regular basis into your diet can be very beneficial for your overall health. So here is this absolutely delicious, nutritious and wholesome cauliflower rice. It's got the perfect balance of flavors. You can enjoy it as is, nice and hot, or you can serve it with some nice side dish of your choice. Let me tell you, it's very tasty and it's going to keep you full for a long time, and it's actually very good for weight loss. So you've seen how we've made this delicious cauliflower rice. So now that you know how to make this, you can use this as your base and you can make different recipes and you can enjoy it with any side dish of your choice. So this is a great and healthy recipe that you can share with your family and friends and enjoy at home.